Wealth Power Group Vietnam joint stock company was established in 2019, focusing on developing and investing in clean and renewable energy projects. Currently, Wealth Power Group Vietnam has been planning, implementing and operating a wide range of projects in clean and renewable energy and high-tech in central Vietnam. These projects include solar and wind power plants, green hydrogen plant, zero-carbon high-tech industrial park. With total investment worth billions of US dollars and a focus on eco-friendly industry, Wealth Power Group Vietnam has always received great attention and support from the Vietnamese government and local authorities. The group's projects have been offered generous incentives in terms of tax, land lease, infrastructure, and human resources. In the field of energy, Wealth Power Group Vietnam has so far built and operated 3 solar power plants, including Phong Điền 2 solar power plant in Phong Điền District, Thừa Thiên Huế Province, with a capacity of 50 megawatt, total investment of $50 million and operation started in December 2020. Mỹ Hiệp solar power plant in Phú Mỹ District, Bình Định Province, with capacity of 50 megawatt, total investment of $50 million and operation started in December 2020. Đầm Chảo solar power plant, a floating project in Chảo Lagoon in Phú Mỹ District, Bình Định Province, with a capacity of 50 megawatt, total investment of $55 million and operation started in December 2020. Every year, Wealth Power Group Vietnam generates 250 million kilowatt of electricity from renewable energy, cutting carbon dioxide emissions by 162,000 tons. In an attempt to promote clean and renewable energy as well as emission reduction in Vietnam, Wealth Power Group Vietnam is proactively carrying out several projects worth billions of US dollars. Among those projects, the biggest is Chân Mây LNG power plant, located in Chân Mây Lăng Cô Economic Zone, Lăng Cô District, Thừa Thiên Huế Province. This 100% private investment plant will have an estimated capacity of 4,800 megawatt, total investment of $5.4 billion, slated for implementation in the second quarter of 2024. The projects will include main components including LNG receiving port, LNG terminal, regas plant, gas-fired plant, and pipelines. At present, green hydrogen is a promising clean energy for the future and a solution to cutting emission. Therefore, Wealth Power Group Vietnam decided to start the project of green hydrogen plant in Chân Mây Lăng Cô Economic Zone, Lăng Cô District, Thừa Thiên Huế Province. The plant will have a capacity of 3 million tons per year, total investment of $4 billion and is planned to distribute its product from the fourth quarter of 2024. To tap the potential of energy production in 6 provinces across Laos-Vietnam border, Wealth Power Group Vietnam has made a master plan for a renewable energy project with a total capacity of 3,000 megawatt. This project includes a series of solar, wind, geothermal power plants in Laos, which will export energy back to Vietnam. The project has a total investment of $5.6 billion and is expected to start operation from the fourth quarter of 2023. Last but not least, the Zero Carbon High-Tech Industrial Park project has an area of 120 hectares and total investment of $45 million, located in Phong Điền District, Thừa Thiên Huế Province. Chân Mây LNG gas-fired power plant project is implemented by Chân Mây LNG Joint Stock Company, a member of Wealth Power Group Vietnam. This power plant will be operated with the most advanced technology and LNG imported from the US. Based on a sustainable design, the gas-fired power plant will have no impact on the overall heritage space of Thừa Thiên Huế Province. In addition, the project will contribute 4 trillion Vietnamese dong or $172 million to the provincial budget per year, and at the same time accelerate local socio-economic development by creating more than 20,000 jobs, implementing a training scheme for enhancing human resources of the electric power industry, and adding another source of supply for the national electricity system. Green hydrogen is a clean energy source that plays a vital role in the global energy structure. It is also an indispensable solution for energy transition, phasing out fossil fuels and reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Currently, global hydrogen consumption reaches 70 million tons per year, but most of this amount is sourced from fossil materials such as coal, natural gases. Carbon dioxide emission from hydrogen production in the world amounts to 830 million tons per year. Realizing opportunities and potential from demands for green hydrogen and pollution mitigation, Wealth Power Group Vietnam has researched and implemented an electrolysis-based green hydrogen factory project with a capacity of up to 3 million tons per year. As scheduled, annual output of green hydrogen will reach at least 1 million tons in the first stage from 2023 to 2026 and doubled to 2 million tons in the second stage from 2027 to 2030. The green hydrogen factory will be built in Chân Mây Lăng Cô Economic Zone, 2 km from Chân Mây Deepwater Port, 5 km from National Highway, and 6 km from 500 kV electrical substation. The Zero Carbon High-Tech Industrial Park is a role model for achieving the goal of net zero carbon emissions. This industrial park will use renewable energy in all production activities, and industrial wastewater treatment will meet all technical standards. The Zero Carbon High-Tech Industrial Park is located in Phong Điền District, close to a number of major transportation facilities and convenient for transportation, 37 km from Hue City, 28 km from Hue train station, close to 1A National Highway and North-South Railway, 45 km from Phu Bai International Airport, 40 km from Thuận An Port, 70 km from Chân Mây Deepwater Port. The Zero Carbon High-Tech Industrial Park boasts well-planned and well-developed infrastructure thanks to being part of the Phong Điền Industrial Park. Located close to 3 solar power plants, namely Phong Điền 2 operational, the 50 MW Phong Điền 2 extended, and the 150 MW Phong Điền 3, Zero Carbon will always have stable, clean energy supply 24 hours a day. Factories inside Zero Carbon High-Tech Industrial Park will also enjoy water supply available right at their gates. There will be a wastewater treatment plant with circular technology and an estimated capacity of 30,000 cubic meter per day and night. Besides, the industrial park has a smart electric system that can ensure power supply 24 hours a day and a lot of greenery areas for carbon dioxide absorption. The Zero Carbon High-Tech Industrial Park is a promising destination for investors, the gathering place for a business community that acts for climate change mitigation and contributes to environmental protection.